Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideaplex, where we explore the tools, trends, and tech reshaping the way creators work. Today, we're taking a closer look at Vero, an AI-powered thumbnail tool designed to help creators like you and me boost our video performance without spending hours in Photoshop or shelling out cash for a designer. Whether you're a small creator looking to stand out or a seasoned YouTuber juggling multiple channels, thumbnails are a make or break factor for clicks. Viro.so promises to simplify the process while giving you high-converting designs. Viro is the leading platform for AI-created thumbnails, creating accurate, high-converting, enhanced visuals to complete your upload. Viro deeply understands your video and generates thumbnails from your point of view while optimizing for the highest click-through rate. At its core, Viro.co uses artificial intelligence to analyze your video content and suggest thumbnail designs that are optimized for clicks. Imagine uploading your video and bam, Viro generates multiple thumbnail options tailored to your content. It even factors in things like facial expressions, bold text placement, and color contrast to grab attention. Don't like the suggestions? No problem. You can tweak the thumbnails with drag and drop tools. Add your own text, play with colors, or even swap out images. Think of it as AI giving you a head start but still letting you take the wheel. If you're managing multiple videos, Viro allows you to process thumbnails in bulk. Perfect for creators who are all about efficiency. Now, let's talk about what makes Viro.so stand out. Here are its key features that really caught my eye. First up is the video to image feature. Imagine uploading your video and letting Viro analyze it to pick out the best screenshots for you. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what will catch viewers' attention. The AI enhances brightness and resolution, ensuring your thumbnails look sharp and inviting. Next is the text-to-image functionality. This is perfect for when you want to plan your thumbnails before filming. Just type in what you envision, and Viro generates a thumbnail based on your prompt. It's like brainstorming with a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. Then there's the images-to-image feature. If you have specific characters or elements you want in your thumbnail, simply upload those images. Viro will optimize them and integrate them into your design seamlessly. Talk about customization at its finest. And if you're creating faceless videos, no problem. Viro's AI can analyze the context of your video to generate relevant thumbnails without needing detailed descriptions. It's like magic, only it's AI. Finally, let's not forget about customization. You can tweak every layer of your thumbnail, adding icons and logos from a vast library. This means no two thumbnails need to look alike. Your brand can truly shine through. Now, let's talk about user experience. I found Viro incredibly intuitive. The interface is clean and straightforward. No tech jargon here. You can easily navigate through features without feeling overwhelmed, which is a huge plus for those of us who aren't exactly tech wizards. One thing that stood out to me right away is how intuitive Viro's interface is. The dashboard is clean, with minimal fluff. Just upload your video, let the AI do its thing, and pick your favorite design. But what I loved most is how accessible it feels. Even if you're someone who's never used design tools before, you'll find yourself creating professional-grade thumbnails in minutes. Plus, the speed is impressive. I was able to whip up several thumbnails in no time at all. It felt like I was on a creative roll, like when you find that perfect playlist that just gets you in the zone. Sometimes the AI-generated thumbnails feel a bit generic, especially if your channel has a super specific aesthetic. But the customization tools help bridge that gap, so it's more of a nitpick than a deal breaker. Viro is designed to help content creators generate stunning thumbnails and images quickly and efficiently. The text-to-image feature allows you to create visuals based on descriptive text prompts, making it a powerful tool for enhancing your video content. Selecting the text-to-image option. In the provided text box, type a detailed description of the image you want to create. Be specific about elements like colors, styles, and any particular objects or themes you want included. Once you've entered your prompt, click on the Generate button. Viro will use its AI capabilities to interpret your text and create an image that matches your description. After generation, review the image. If it's not quite what you envisioned, you can tweak your prompt or adjust parameters to refine the output. Once satisfied with the result, download the image for use in your projects or share it directly from the platform. Viro typically offers a free trial for users to explore its features, including text to image. Following the trial, subscription plans start at around $15 per month, providing access to various advanced tools and functionalities. By leveraging Viro text to image feature, you can enhance your content visually while saving time and effort in the design process. Enjoy experimenting with different prompts to see what unique images you can create. For the features and time saved, I'd say it's a solid deal. Compare that to hiring a graphic designer or spending hours creating thumbnails yourself. Viro comes out ahead. They also offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. So there you have it, my take on Viro. It's fast, it's smart, and it's definitely worth a try if you're looking to level up your thumbnail game without burning out. But now I want to hear from you. Have you tried Viro, or do you have another go-to tool for thumbnails? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's keep the conversation going. Oh, and if you're ready to give Viro a shot, check out the link in the description for a free trial. As always, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the tools shaping the creator economy. Catch you in the next one.